as I said before, and I'll say it again, justice is a prerequisite for peace. If this was the case that it was South Africa and both nations had a long and known history with each other, Israel and South Africa, and there's a book called The Secret Alliance that you can read for your further information. If this was South Africa and the blacks were kicked out of their country, they were kicked out of their country by the whites, like the Nakba, 700,000 Palestinians were kicked out, and then they had the audacity to talk about peace, nobody would be accepting it. The apartheid laws of South Africa are the same, effectively, as the apartheid laws of Israel. You're not allowed to come back to the country unless you are of a specific ethnicity which meets the requirement for apartheid. The 100-to-1 ratio of being killed in Gaza, this seems to be acceptable to Shmoley, unholy Shmoley. It seems to be acceptable to him.
It's a good rhyme. It's a very good rhyme. At least a little bit of comedy.
It's not acceptable to me. It's not acceptable to the people. When we see these images, it's absolutely not acceptable. So peace is justice requirement for peace.
By the way, it's Shmuley, not Shmoley. It doesn't rhyme.
You don't get to go all over.
Doesn't matter what your name is.
Look, I found that quite a dispiriting hour. I've got to be honest with you.
Doesn't matter.